Good morning. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Welcome to Saturday, December 25th. I'm meteorologist Kevin Smith at the National Weather Service in Pocatello with your Southeast Idaho weather hazard briefing. So the active weather pattern continues. We've been stuck in this pattern here for at least a few days now. Many of you have seen snow. Some of you have seen multiple rounds of snow over that time frame. And the pattern continues. We're not going to really break out of this until a little bit on Monday, kind of, sort of. But even beyond that, the pattern is going to remain quite active. So 3 key points here. More snow is on the way. The active pattern continues. Frequent rounds of snow showers for most of southeast Idaho, along with some wind on tap for today, into Sunday, into Monday as well. Now, Monday evening, we are expecting a cold front to cross the region, and this is going to usher in some of the coldest air that we've seen so far this winter season. Potentially some bitterly cold temperatures, some Arctic feeling temperatures spilling into the region, and that'll definitely be the case if you're heading north into Montana, but we are expecting some of that cold Arctic air to spill over the divide and affect our forecast area here in southeast Idaho as well. Still going to be active beyond that Monday cold front and in that bitter cold regime. Things slow down a little bit, though, as we get into Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and all that means is we're going to see maybe a little bit better defined breaks between systems. Things might be a little weaker, a little less impactful, but a pattern that still favors multiple storm systems or multiple waves of energy crossing southeast Idaho. So breaking it all down by day and by geographic area here, we're blanketed with lots of colors here, minor to moderate impacts, particularly over the weekend here, today, Christmas Day, into your Sunday. Looking for some moderate impacts, particularly for travel, with snow showers everywhere. High-res models are really struggling to define start times and end times of kind of the more organized periods of snow showers. And we've just seen wave after wave of snow showers here over the past day or so, and that's going to continue. So everywhere at some point, probably going to see some snow shower activity. Some areas may see multiple rounds of snow showers throughout the day today, throughout the day on Sunday. We're going to ramp up those winds as well across the region on Sunday, pretty much everywhere. So very breezy conditions expected for southeast Idaho. I'll show you those graphically here in just a moment. Stepping into Monday, we've cautiously backed off from moderate to minor impacts. Might see a little bit lighter nature of the snow, but remember, our front isn't here yet. We're still in this very active, very unsettled snow showery regime, and that's going to include Monday. So additional snow or snow showers expected pretty much everywhere at some point during the day on Monday until that cold front arrives. Stepping into Tuesday, Wednesday, less snow shower activity. You can see maybe some snow showers lingering here in portions of the southern highlands, the eastern highlands, up into the Island Park area. Think Wyoming border zone. Into the day on Tuesday, but elsewhere quieting down on the snow shower front and just turning very cold across the region. I think Tuesday and Wednesday will be the peak days as far as that Arctic air being in place across the region. So we're thinking minor impacts for that. You have to take precautions, of course, to avoid frostbite and hypothermia if you're heading out or doing any recreation, but as long as we're doing that, travel at least should improve, in particular on Tuesday and Wednesday. Satellite, think of this pattern as a parent low pressure system that's actually sitting off the coast here, just kind of off the coast of Washington and Oregon. Kind of hard to pick out in this particular image, but look at this just consistent stream of moisture and cloud cover moving from southwest to northeast up across northern California into the state of Idaho. Little embedded waves of energy in this as well ahead of this parent low pressure system, but this general pattern, this general flow of moisture and continued snow shower activity, again, remaining in place for the next several days until this main parent low pressure system finally makes progress inland and brings that cold front through sometime during Monday afternoon into Monday night. Most of the region is blanketed with watches, warnings, and advisories. Winter weather advisories in effect for most of our forecast zones, except a winter storm warning down here into the Bear River Range, where we are expecting a little bit greater snowfall accumulations to continue. You can see all the neighboring offices, too, have winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories out, covering at least the next day to 2 days here. We keep extending these with this active pattern that we're stuck in. But the main idea here is snow showers, slippery travel at times across the region. So everyone who is out visiting family and friends and doing Christmas activities, please keep this in mind. Please take extra time on the roads. Please drive with caution. Slow down when encountering slick conditions, icy conditions, snow-covered roads out there. High temperatures today are going to support snow. We're only getting up a few degrees above freezing by this afternoon here in portions of the eastern Magic Valley into the Pocatello area. Colder, generally upper 20s to very low 30s across the rest of the region. Again, on and off snow showers for just about everyone across the region. I'll show you accumulations in just a moment. Sunday, very similar. We continue to lose a degree or two. No big drop yet by Sunday. Remember, we're waiting for that front Monday afternoon into Monday night, but still temperatures supportive of continued on and off snow showers across southeast Idaho. Monday, lose a couple more degrees. We're seeing high temperatures Monday afternoon topping out in the upper teens to mid 20s across the region. Warmest readings only 28, 29 degrees down here into places like Burley and Pocatello and Montpelier. Okay, new snowfall. This is a total new snowfall that we're expecting over the course of today into Sunday, into Monday, until that front finally crosses the region. So this is going to come in little bits, depending on where you are, a half an inch here, an inch there with the snow shower activity, but generally expecting anywhere from about 1 to 3 inches here up the Snake Plain corridor in the eastern Magic Valley. Pocatello, I'd expect this to be a little low on the 2 to 4 inch or 2 to 3 inch range, I should say, at lower elevations, but some totals higher than that, maybe 4 inches or so up on the benches. And then places that are under advisories and warnings, still expecting high elevation accumulations here to exceed another foot in portions of the Central Mountains up into the Island Park region, the mountains surrounding the valley there along US 20, down into the Big Holes, down into the Bear River Range, where we may see even higher accumulations. We have that warning in effect down there. And then some of the other mountains here, as you get up in elevation, anywhere from another 4 to 8 inches here over the next 3 days or so. So it's going to continue to gradually add up across the region. Not terribly mind-blowing numbers for most areas. For a single event, this is spread out over 3 days, but as it continues to come in waves here with the snow shower activity, we'll continue to just see periods of slick travel across the region. Percent chance, we're going to look at some probabilistic data here real quick. Percent chance of 1 inch of snow or more. What are your chances of exceeding that 1 inch mark? Well, we're 90 to 100% just about everywhere. We have enough snow shower activity in the forecast over a period of time here that we're definitely going to see some accumulations just about everywhere across southeast Idaho. Now, when we step back to percent chance of seeing 4 inches of snow or more, we're really really zoning in here on the higher elevation. So places like Burley and Pocatello, maybe not so much, about a 20 to 30% chance, similar for Idaho Falls, but north and east of Ashton, portions of the Central Mountains, portions of the southern and eastern highlands, certainly those probabilities go up as you get into those higher terrain areas. We told you it'd be windy on Sunday. It's a little bit windy this morning as you wake up, but those winds are relaxing, so we're not expecting that to be a terrible impact for most of today, but Sunday is standing out as a windy day compared to all of the next few days of the forecast. Over here on the left, sustained wind values coming in from generally the southwest. About 15 to 25 miles per hour sustained across the region. You can see those highest values, as usual, out over the INL, Arco Desert, portions of I-15. And then over here on the right, wind gusts on Sunday expected to reach 30 to 40 miles per hour across some pretty good real estate. Again, the windiest corridor right up the Snake Plain and the adjacent highlands here from Cassia County, wrapping in toward Pocatello, and then up into these highways, north and east of Rexburg here. We've had a lot of issues with highway closures here over the last 48 hours due to blowing and drifting snow. We're going to have to watch for that potential again on Sunday into Sunday night with these wind values. Here comes the cold. So we bring the front through Monday night. We back off on all the snow. We start to improve as far as travel goes. But as we head into Tuesday, over here on the left, low temperature readings during the morning below zero for almost everyone north of the Snake River, and only single digits to the south of there. Now, we are expecting some cloud cover on Tuesday and Wednesday, and that may help hold these temperatures pretty similar to what you see here. But if we do see a lot of clearing, certainly there is potential for spots to get even colder than what we're showing you here on this graphic. Over here on the right, this is what we're headed toward for high temperatures Tuesday afternoon. May see some teens across the eastern Magic Valley into the southern highlands and Pocatello and Blackfoot, but only single digits for high temperatures across a large chunk of the region, including the Arco Desert and INL, all up into the upper Snake Highlands over toward Driggs as well. Stepping into Wednesday, we'll do it again. Very similar readings, well below zero for many locations north of the Snake River here Wednesday morning. And then high temperatures again, only single digits and teens as we get into Wednesday afternoon. And cold air will continue into Thursday as well, although Thursday and Friday we may start to moderate things just a bit and warm these readings up just a few degrees. So very active weather continues. That's a summary for Southeast Idaho. If you have any questions, comments, concerns for us, as always, please reach out via phone or email here at the office. Everyone have a very Merry Christmas.